As a local PC tech, I have witnessed the challenges and opportunities that small PC support businesses face in 2023. The pandemic has accelerated the digital transformation of many sectors, creating a high demand for IT solutions and services. However, it has also increased the competition from large corporations and online platforms that offer cheaper and faster alternatives. How can small PC support businesses survive and thrive in this environment? In my opinion, the key is to focus on the value proposition and the customer relationship. Small PC support businesses have the advantage of being more flexible, responsive and personalized than their bigger counterparts. They can tailor their services to the specific needs and preferences of each client, and build trust and loyalty over time. They can also leverage their local knowledge and network to find new opportunities and referrals. However, this is not enough to stay ahead of the curve. Small PC support businesses also need to invest in innovation and continuous learning. They need to keep up with the latest trends and technologies, such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and blockchain. They need to offer solutions that are not only functional, but also secure, scalable and sustainable. They need to educate themselves and their clients on the benefits and risks of these technologies, and how to use them effectively and ethically. By combining these strategies, I believe that small PC support businesses can create a competitive edge and a loyal customer base in 2023. They can also contribute to the social and economic development of their communities by providing quality IT services that enhance productivity, efficiency, and creativity. Small PC support businesses are not only essential for the digital economy, but also for the digital society.